Agents are the thing everyone is talking about, I think for good reason.
AI.
More
Agentic capabilities.
An AI agent.
Agents.
Agentic workflows.
Agents.
Agent.
Agentic. Agentic.
What is an AI agent and what can it do?
Everyone talks about AI agents, but almost no one explains them properly. They say agents will change the world. But what is an AI agent really? How is it different from just using ChatGPT? And how can you, even without coding experience, start using AI agents to automate your work, create businesses, or stay ahead of the coming wave? Today, I'll break it down step by step, in the way I wish someone explained it to me when I first started. No fluff, full power. Let's unlock the future together. My name is Majdi El-Jazmawi from AIVirtus. I'm a computer engineer, and today I'm going to give you the ultimate beginner's guide to AI agents. What they are, how they work, why they matter, and we will next go through a journey and build them, even if you have zero technical experience. Why this is a golden opportunity. The search interest for AI agents has skyrocketed in the last year. We're at the beginning of a revolution, like the early days of websites, social media, or mobile apps. Skepticism is normal, but those who learn early will ride the biggest wave of opportunities. Agents are rapidly becoming the foundation of modern automation and future business models. What is an AI agent? Imagine hiring an employee who has perfect memory, works 24/7, no vacations, no sick days, follows exact instructions precisely, costs a fraction of a human employee. That's an AI agent, a self-operating digital brain that can reason, act, adapt, and improve autonomously. Powered by large language models like GPT, Claude, Gemini. The evolution, LLMs, then workflow, then agent. LLMS, chatbots like ChatGPT. Required inputs to give you an output. Like you have to give it all the required data, such as the email that you are willing to answer on. Then based on the given information, it will provide you with the email to be sent. Great for answering questions or writing text, but passive. No personal knowledge, no tools access, no actions. AI workflows, pre-programmed chains of steps, can access APIs like Google Calendar and fetch data, but they can't reason. They just follow the programmed path. Then we came to the AI agents. It thinks, decides, acts, and improves. They don't just follow instructions. They figure out how to achieve the goal using available tools. Key difference: an agent reasons, adapts, takes actions autonomously, and iterates its own work. Core components of every AI agent. AI model, the brain. Powers reasoning and decision-making, such as GPT, Claude, Gemini. Tools, the hands. APIs, apps, software that agents can use, such as calendar, CRM, web search. Instructions, the mindset behind AI agent. A system prompt that defines the agent's role, behavior, and limitations. The React framework, how agents operate. Reasoning plus acting equals React. An agent first reasons about the best approach, then takes action using the available tools, observes results, and iterates if necessary. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Agents can fetch new data, such as data from Google Drive sheets or from databases before answering. extends the agent's memory beyond its original training data. Guardrails protect agents from making mistakes or security errors. Guardrails combine rule-based protections, such as regex filters, AI-based moderation, such as OpenAI's moderation APIs. Guardrails can check for dangerous inputs, prevent data leaks, block harmful outputs. Real-world examples of AI agents. Marketing, such as personalized cold outreach or make an automation for the content creation for social media. Onboarding, by collecting client documents or guiding users through setup processes. Customer services, act as 24 hours over 7 days support agents and automating the feedback collection. Project management, by scheduling meetings and uploading and tracking project updates. Advanced examples, vision agents identifying clips of specific people in videos, agents that manage emails, schedule meetings, and even write LinkedIn posts autonomously. How to build AI agents, even without coding. No-code and low-code tools. Available tools today like Make.com, Zapier, Relevance AI, and N8N. Example, create an AI agent that pulls news articles from Google Sheets, summarizes them, and posts to LinkedIn automatically, without writing any code. Pro tip, start with one small agent before building complex multi-agent systems. Single agent versus multi-agent systems. Always start with single agent, with one powerful agent that handles many tasks using tools. Then, if needed, go to multi-agent, where you have one agent as a manager who coordinates multiple specialized agents. Then, if needed, use the multi-agent approach, where the agents operate as peers, handing off tasks to each other when needed. Best practices when building AI agents. Define a clear role and goal. Break tasks into simple steps. Add guardrails against bad inputs and unsafe actions. Think about edge cases early. Example, what happens if a 1 GB file is uploaded? Let agents self-iterate their output quality. The future of AI agents. Agents are getting smarter, faster, and cheaper. Businesses may shift from hiring humans for basic tasks to deploying fleets of AI agents. The real winners will be those who learn, build, and adapt early. If you're finding this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to AIVirtus. Drop your questions in the comments. I personally respond to help you on your AI journey. Also, all links and resources are in the video description. Now you know what AI agents are, how they work. Next, you'll learn how you can start building them with no coding experience required. Again, I'm Majdi El-Jazmawi from AIVirtus. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Wishing you all the best as you explore and build with AI.